Hi guys, today I will be explaining about how to create a passkey in Shopify store. This process is simple and easy, but before going any further, let me tell you the benefit of creating a passkey. Basically, after creating a passkey, it will add another layer of security on your Shopify store. Means it will be like a two-step authentication, but it will be more secure than the two-step verification. And also, it's the recommended feature. Now, in order to create a passkey, the first thing is log in your account on which you want to create, and then you will see the same interface like me. The next thing is take a look on the right top. You will see your profile. Simply click on it, and here you will see the option of manage account. Click on it. Once you will click on the option manage account, here you can manage your account details like name, photos, and much more. But in order to create a passkey, take a look on the left side. You will see two options, general and security. Click on the option security. Once we'll click on the option security, here you can see the option of passkey. It's the recommended feature. Here you can see the option log in with your fingerprint, face recognition, or PIN instead of a password. Passkey can be seen across devices. Log into the same platform like Apple ID or Google account. So that's why it's the recommended feature. You can also learn more about the passkey. Now, in order to create a passkey, the first thing is you have to verify your email address. I have not verified it yet. That's where this option is disabled. So the first thing is you have to verify your email address. Once you will confirm your email on store, then this option will be enabled and you have to click on it. Then you have to create your own passkey. You can write it by yourself. Once you will create, it will be added to your store, and whenever you will log in, this will be the required password of your store. After writing it, you can sign in your account, and that's it.